This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. Gorgeous kitchen with an oversized island is open to the bright and airy great room as well as your very own private pool and spa. Sliding doors fold all the way back, allowing for fabulous inside/outside entertaining. The chef's dream kitchen offers gas cooking, a huge pantry and counter island seating. Your private pool and spa is heated by gas as well. Be sure to notice the unique lighting fixtures and ceiling fans, as well as the plantation shutters in all the bedrooms, living room and office. Master bedroom is located away from the 2 guest bedrooms and office. The laundry room has full-size stainless washer and dryer as well as additional cabinetry with a sink. There is also a storage closet in the laundry room. The home has an oversized 2-car garage. The beautiful clubhouse offers a state-of-the-art fitness center, movement studio, outdoor yoga deck, card room, library, meeting room plus so much more. Enjoy tennis, pickleball, bocce, etc. or meet up with friends at the community pool or hot tub and enjoy a bite to eat or a refreshing drink at the Shady Palm Poolside Restaurant. For more information, review the details below.